What's up, YouTubers? My name is Revolt TV. I go by Jordan. Today I will be showing y'all what code throws this. It's P0243. It's the wastegate solenoid to my 2006 Audi A4. It's pretty simple. Now you're gonna scrape your hands doing this, so wear a glove and make sure you have all the proper equipment on, so you won't get nothing in your eyes or anything like that. Now, the first thing I did was I got these two bracket bolts out. They're two 10mm bolts. They were a pain in the butt. It took me about an hour to get them out because of the way I had to get them out. I didn't even have to jack up my car to get this wastegate solenoid out. This one is my old one. As you can see, it's broken off right here at the tip. This is my new one. I'm replacing it with pinch clips on all the connectors. So there's 1, 2, 3. It's a Peerberg, and you can easily get this off of FCP Euro, ESC tuning, or stuff like that. I swear I've been buying everything for my car off. Even I got my PCV valve off of that. So now this should fix my P0243 problem. I had the battery disconnected. That's what you're going to need to do. All the tools you're going to need is technically this right here. This little doodad right here. It's a stub wrench. You're gonna need a 12 for the banjo bolt right here. That's what hooks up down there. You see it, okay? You're gonna need a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket, let me see what that size was. Where did my not my flashlight, but my screwdriver go? A T20 star bit. You can see what that is. There you go. Star bit. Good, seen that. And you need a flathead screwdriver to pry the connector off the end of this. Be careful not to break it. I accidentally broke mine. And technically that's all your tools you're going to need, besides some wire cutters to cut the old OEM clamps off. That's a pain in the butt, I'm telling you right now. Be prepared for that. Use wire cutters like this. Okay? Now, before you even get to doing this, you're going to need to take off your intake cover, or your intake manifold. That's what I call it. Somebody else might call it something different. It's a thing that pushes in right here. It connects right in here. It allows air to flow through here and goes into your mass air flow sensor down to your turbo. So it's pretty simple and easy. Now, other than that, it's pretty easy. Hopefully my car will run better after this. If not, I will continue digging. I mean, just think, you replace this broken piece right here. I accidentally broke it, but if you replace this piece, I mean, this hasn't been replaced since the car was made, but if you do that, just know, and if it don't work, just know that you have a new one. Don't get discarded because it doesn't work. Just know that you have a new piece that might come into handy later down the road. And I'm going to set this back in this box. And just toss it right there for right now. Okay? Alright. I've got to get that out of that pipe. Okay. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Just be careful what y'all do with these European cars, because they're very fragile. And what I mean by that is, you break something, it's going to cost you out the butt to fix. So just be careful what y'all do. Thank you for watching.